How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
How's it going?
Good, thanks. Just chilling.
How's it going?
Good, thanks. Just chilling.
What's new with you?
Not much, just relaxing.
What's new with you?
Not much, just relaxing.
Busy day today?
Yeah, lots of work.
Busy day today?
Yeah, lots of work.
Plans for tonight?
Dinner with friends later.
Plans for tonight?
Dinner with friends later.
Weather's nice, right?
Yeah, perfect for walking.
Weather's nice, right?
Yeah, perfect for walking.
Weekend plans sorted?
Movie night with family.
Weekend plans sorted?
Movie night with family.
Any fun last weekend?
Beach day with friends.
Any fun last weekend?
Beach day with friends.
Gym session done yet?
Just finished, feeling great.
Gym session done yet?
Just finished, feeling great.
How's work treating you?
Busy, but manageable. Thanks.
How's work treating you?
Busy, but manageable. Thanks.
Favorite hobby lately?
Painting, relaxing and creative.
Favorite hobby lately?
Painting, relaxing and creative.
Any exciting news to share?
Not really, just routine stuff.
Any exciting news to share?
Not really, just routine stuff.
Heard about the concert?
Yeah, planning to go.
Heard about the concert?
Yeah, planning to go.
Found a new restaurant?
Not yet, still searching.
Found a new restaurant?
Not yet, still searching.
Enjoying the holidays so far?
Yeah, it's been relaxing.
Enjoying the holidays so far?
Yeah, it's been relaxing.
Looking forward to anything?
Weekend getaway, can't wait.
Looking forward to anything?
Weekend getaway, can't wait.
Trying any new recipes?
Yeah, experimenting with cooking.
Trying any new recipes?
Yeah, experimenting with cooking.
Any book recommendations lately?
Great Gatsby, classic literature, recommend.
Any book recommendations lately?
Great Gatsby, classic literature, recommend.
Heard about the new movie?
Yes, planning to watch.
Heard about the new movie?
Yes, planning to watch.
Any travel plans coming up?
Not yet, still deciding.
Any travel plans coming up?
Not yet, still deciding.
How's the family doing?
Good, thanks for asking.
How's the family doing?
Good, thanks for asking.
Trying any new hobbies?
Learning guitar, challenging but fun.
Trying any new hobbies?
Learning guitar, challenging but fun.
Any fitness goals for summer?
Yes, aiming for consistency.
Any fitness goals for summer?
Yes, aiming for consistency.
Found any good deals lately?
Yes, scored some discounts.
Found any good deals lately?
Yes, scored some discounts.
Enjoying the sunny weather?
Absolutely, soaking up sunshine.
Enjoying the sunny weather?
Absolutely, soaking up sunshine.
Any favorite TV shows?
Friends, always a classic.
Any favorite TV shows?
Friends, always a classic.
Trying any new workouts?
Yoga, finding it relaxing.
Trying any new workouts?
Yoga, finding it relaxing.
Any fun weekend plans?
Picnic in the park.
Any fun weekend plans?
Picnic in the park.
Looking forward to anything special?
Birthday celebration next week.
Looking forward to anything special?
Birthday celebration next week.
How's the new job?
Challenging but rewarding, learning.
How's the new job?
Challenging but rewarding, learning.
Any favorite music lately?
Jazz, soothing and calming.
Any favorite music lately?
Jazz, soothing and calming.
Enjoying your free time?
Yes, reading and relaxing.
Enjoying your free time?
Yes, reading and relaxing.
Any exciting projects on?
Yes, working on something new.
Any exciting projects on?
Yes, working on something new.
Trying any new restaurants?
Not yet, exploring options.
Trying any new restaurants?
Not yet, exploring options.
Any favorite quotes lately?
Carpe diem, seizing the day.
Any favorite quotes lately?
Carpe diem, seizing the day.
Planning any weekend getaways?
Camping trip next month.
Planning any weekend getaways?
Camping trip next month.